Find the rate of change for the following graph. Use appropriate units. We're given a graph with a horizontal axis of the number of months in service. The vertical axis is the total cost of monitored security system. The horizontal axis is counting by 1, starting at 0. The vertical axis counts by 50, starting at 0 as well. We're given a line with 3 points. The first point is the point 0, 100. The second point is the point 4, 250. And the third point is the point 8, 400. To find the rate of change for this graph, we just need to find the slope. The slope is defined to be the rise over the run, or the difference in y over the difference in x. The formula to find the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So since the slope is the same using any 2 points on a line, then I'll go ahead and use the second 2 points. We'll use the point 4, 250, and 8, 400. y2 minus y1 then is 400 minus 250 over x2 minus x1 would be 8 minus 4. We need to use appropriate units. The y values are in dollars, while the x values are in months. 400 minus 250 gives us $150 in our numerator. 8 minus 4 gives us 4 months in our denominator. To get a rate of change, we need to have 1 in the denominator. So dividing 150 by 4, we get 37.5. And again, our units are dollars per month. Therefore, the total cost of monitored security systems is increasing at $37.50 per month.